Morning. Sunday morning. Time for a little geocaching. Let's get looking. Okay, so the first one I'm doing today, I'm out at Holywell Green near Halifax, and there's one right here in Shaw Park. "136 metres away, so not far to go at all. Still some remnants from the recent snow and ice. In fact, I think that little pond over there is still looking pretty frozen over. From here you can still see the snow on the other side of the valley there. Hey, look at that tree there, that's quite spectacular, isn't it? Wow. Yeah, I've just come for a closer look at that tree. That'd be an ace tree to climb if I was young again. Yep, that's definitely frozen over. Been quite thick on there. Right, let's have a quick look, see where we're up to. 80 odd metres away. Well, this pond here is frozen over too. It looks a right mess. Right, so the hint is 1 metre up in an ivy covered tree to the left of the path when walking downwards. This is the path walking downwards. Ivy covered trees everywhere. I hate ivy covered trees. Right, so that's the bottom of the basin. Found the log. Good stuff. Right, so that was quite a nice find. If you like this, please give the video a like, a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. And if you subscribe to the channel, then YouTube will send you a notification. Well, they'll give you a notification when you open it up to say that I've uploaded another video. Valentine's Day today, 14th of the 2nd. Empty jack. Right, okay. So, thanks so much for watching. See you soon.